Hello everybody! How are you doing today? In this video, you are going to learn the different sports, okay? Let's start! Soccer, soccer. Basketball, basketball. Baseball, baseball. Tennis, tennis. Badminton, badminton. Volleyball, volleyball. Table tennis, table tennis. Ice hockey, ice hockey. Handball, handball. Cycling, cycling. Bowling, bowling. Golf, golf. Boxing, boxing. Archery, archery. Surfing, surfing. Swimming, swimming. Karate, karate. Judo, judo. Horse riding, horse riding. Yoga, yoga. Cricket, cricket. Gymnastics, gymnastics. Weightlifting, weightlifting. Athletics, athletics. Rugby, rugby. Skateboarding, skateboarding. High jumping, high jumping. You are doing great. Sports vocabularies. Let's read more. Field, field. Ball, ball. Trophy, trophy. pool, pool. Bat, bat. Badminton racket, badminton racket. Shuttlecock, shuttlecock. Boxing ring, boxing ring. Boxing gloves, boxing gloves. Let's read sentences about sports. What sport do you like? What sport do you like? I like soccer. I like soccer. What sport do you like? What sport do you like? I like basketball. I like basketball. What sport do you like? What sport do you like? I like tennis. I like tennis. Do you like volleyball? Do you like volleyball? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like football? Do you like football? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like cycling? Do you like cycling? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you like surfing? Do you like surfing? No, I don't. No, I don't.